If you're seeing the HTTPS only mode alert in Firefox saying secure site not available, don't worry. This is usually a browser setting issue, and in this video, I'll show you a quick fix step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can help when certain websites won't load properly in Firefox, even though the site itself is working. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and launch a new tab. In the address bar, type about config and press enter on your keyboard. Firefox will show you a warning page because these settings are advanced, so click accept the risk and continue to move forward. Once you're in the configuration page, use the search bar and type dom.security https_only_mode. This is the setting that controls HTTPS only mode in Firefox. After it appears, look at the value next to it. If it's set to true, that means HTTPS only mode is enabled. To fix the error, simply click the toggle button to change the value from true to false. This disables the setting and can stop Firefox from blocking sites that are otherwise safe but not loading correctly under HTTPS only restrictions. After changing the value, the final step is very important. Restart Firefox completely so the new setting can take effect. Close the browser and open it again, then go back to the website that was causing the error and check if it loads normally. In many cases, this solves the HTTPS only mode alert right away. If the issue is still there, you may want to double-check the setting again or make sure the website itself is working properly. But for most users, turning this option off and restarting Firefox will do the trick. I hope this quick guide helped you fix the secure site not available error in Firefox. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.